Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is truly one of the best helical pile options available on the market, the Phopich ground anchor screw-in set. If you're looking for a reliable and heavy-duty solution to secure trampolines, tents, swing sets, or even garden sheds, this product deserves your attention. Right from the start, the Phopich ground anchors stand out with their full spiral blade design. Unlike typical anchors, these feature an upgraded full spiral blade that makes installation smoother and more efficient. The blades are made with a thickness of 2.21 mm and a width of 40 mm, while the overall length reaches 38 cm, or about 15 inches. This design allows the anchors to drill deeply and hold firmly in place, even in high wind conditions. The top ring design provides extra resistance and ensures the anchors don't shift or loosen once installed. Durability is another key highlight. These anchors are constructed from powder-coated solid steel, offering great resistance against rust and corrosion. This means that even with long-term outdoor exposure, the anchors maintain their strength and appearance without fading or breaking. The high-quality build is perfect for all-weather use, making them an excellent investment for securing your outdoor structures. Installation is made incredibly easy with this set. The package includes 4 heavy-duty spiral screw-in anchors, plus a power nut driver drill bit and a T-handle hex wrench. If you have an electric nut drill, attaching it to the provided drill bit can get the anchors installed in about 10 seconds each. For those who prefer manual effort, the included T-wrench helps save time and effort compared to conventional stakes. The convenience of these tools makes setup straightforward, even if you're not a professional. Versatility is where the Phopich anchors really shine. Beyond trampolines, they are suitable for securing tents, swing sets, gazebos, dog enclosures, canopies, garden sheds, carports, and even mobile homes. This broad range of uses makes them a versatile tool for anyone needing to stabilize outdoor items against wind or movement. The product also comes with a handy carry bag, which keeps everything organized and easy to transport. This thoughtful addition means you can take your anchors and tools wherever needed without hassle. In terms of size and weight, each anchor is designed to be robust yet manageable. The entire set weighs just over 5 pounds, making it sturdy without being cumbersome. The bright orange color not only helps you locate the anchors easily but also adds a safety element by keeping them visible above ground. In summary, the Phopich ground anchor screw-in set combines thoughtful engineering, high-quality materials, and user-friendly installation tools to provide a dependable anchoring solution. Whether you're securing a trampoline against gusty weather or stabilizing a garden structure, these anchors offer strong, reliable performance designed to last. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want a heavy-duty, easy-to-use, and multi-purpose ground anchor, the Phopich set is one of the best helical piles you can get. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.